Hi, welcome to eWheels University. I'm your instructor, Andy Barnes, and today we're going to talk about how to disassemble the EW-M34. If you're like me, it's easier to see it done in person, and I'm going to show you how. So why would you want to take apart a perfectly good scooter? Well, I've got a couple of reasons for you. Maybe you actually just want to transport your scooter and put it in the trunk of a car. Or maybe you want to store it in a closet for a little while and you need to make it a little more compact. Well, I can help you and I'm going to show you how. Take a look. The first thing you're going to do is remove the seat and set aside. To remove the basket, push the release tab, then lift upward and set aside. To remove the battery, loosen the knob that secures the battery pack, and then use the handle to lift out of the way. To separate the scooter pieces, turn the cable securing ring clockwise and move it to the side. Then pull the small yellow handle, which will allow the two pieces to separate. If you need to compact the scooter even more, turn the knob at the base of the delta tiller and fold down. Okay, so how easy was that? I told you you could disassemble the scooter in just 5 easy steps. Thank you so much for watching eWheels University, and we'll see you back here with another lesson with Andy Barnes.